So does your cat get that eau de litter box smell between baths? Except cats don't really do baths, do they? I found something you might like. Before I get into it, I want to say a big thank you to HICCPet for sending me these Pro Glove Wipes to try out on my own cat. I was wondering if it'd hold up, so let's talk about it. These are the HICCPet Pro Glove Wipes, and the first thing I noticed is how thick they are. This isn't some flimsy see-through wipe that falls apart halfway through, which matters when you're dealing with a squirmy cat who gives you about 10 seconds of cooperation. One side is soft, pearl textured, perfect for the delicate spots, you know, paws, face, around the ears, and around the eyes. Flip it over, you got this raised 3D texture that actually lifts dirt, dander, and loose fur right off the coat. It even glides through and helps loosen up little tangles as you go, which is real nice if you got a, long-haired cat. Okay, so those little rounded granules on the textured side, they measured them down to the millimeter to get the spacing just right. Actually feel like a gentle massage while you're wiping your cat down. My cat's not exactly a fan of being handled, but she actually leaned into this one instead of trying to get away. It felt less like a chore and more like a little spa moment for her. Now, if you've got a cat with sensitive skin, that was my first kind of worry too, but these are made with fermented coconut oil and oat complex, aloe vera, and hydrolyzed cornstarch is gentle on the skin. So nothing harsh, nothing that left any of our three cats scratching or bothered afterward. And they come in a coconut scent or completely unscented. And even the coconut one is light, not perfumey at all. It's definitely not overpowering. You know, cats are picky about scents, so I was wondering, but all went well. As far as your cat odor goes, since the wipe's so saturated, we're talking up to like 5 times more liquid than a typical wipe. It actually helps freshen your cat up, not just, mask the smell, but it truly lifts the dirt and odor-causing residue off their coat. So if you've got a cat that's an indoor-outdoor explorer, or sheds like crazy, or just needs a quick freshen up, since bath time isn't exactly an option, these have earned a spot in my grooming drawer. So I've popped the link down in the description if you want to grab a pack for yourself. If you feel like this helped you out today, go ahead and hit that button to subscribe. Help an old man out. So that's it. Grooming Glove Wipes by HICC. I hope this helps, and I hope to see you again.